of his eye. Don't downgrade yourself by disallowing him not to disallowing him to lead you. Allow him to lead you. When he leads you, you never go wrong. When you lead you never miss your route. Then you lead you never miss your destination. You always arrive at your destination prompt and on time. Hallelujah. That's the kind of thing he does for his people. Verse 12. Verse 12. So the Lord did not lead him, and there was no strange God with him. Did you hear that? There was no strange God. There was no strange God with him. What does that mean? He is not looking at any other thing as a solution to his life. He's only focused and gazing on God and God alone, and say he's the one that will remain in charge of my life, and I'll be obedient to him forever. So he has removed and wiped away any form of strange God within his life and space.